Hello friends, welcome to my cooking style. How are you all? Today we are going to make lunchbox recipe, that is lemon rice. See the color of the rice, looking very beautiful, and it's very easy to make and very tasty. First we are going to see what are the ingredients needed for this. So 1 cup cooked rice I have taken, then green chilli and red chilli, 1 onion chopped, few curry leaves, then mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, then roasted peanuts, 1 lemon juice. So these are all the ingredients. I have taken pan, added 2 spoon of oil. Once oil heated, we are going to add mustard seeds, then urad dal, chana dal, saute for few seconds. Then we are going to add green chilli and red chilli, then onion, saute onion for 1 minute, then curry leaves. Half spoon of turmeric powder I am adding now. Now I am adding roasted peanuts. Peanuts give a crunchy taste while we are eating lemon rice. So don't forget to add roasted peanuts. Salt as required. It's all sauteed well. At last we are going to add lemon juice. Here I have taken 1 lemon juice. It will not take much time. Just a saute for half minute. That is enough. Then finally we are going to add cooked rice. So mix all well together. While cooking rice, add 1 spoon of oil so that you can get like this rice, soft and fluffy rice. Salt as required. So I am mixing now. Finally garnishing with coriander leaves. So that's all, our lemon rice is ready. You can serve this with spicy potato fry. So everyone should try this recipe. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.